Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany. In today's video, I am literally just recording to see how it looks to record a video on my phone. So I know when the iPhone 11s came out, a lot of people were recording on their phone to see what tea was about. But let me just be real. When I first started my channel, I was using my iPad to film and sometimes my phone. So I think at the time I had an iPhone 7, so this is definitely a step up from that. But I really just wanted to come on here and see how the camera looked, because I just wanted to see if having my camera was a scam. Like, recording on my camera, is it a scam or not? I really just want to know. But before we get into the video, it's makeup. Let me just tell you guys, so I have another wig for sale. Yes, plugging my own business, period. This is a 22-inch 5x5 lace closure unit. Yes, it is custom colored, and this is what the front of the wig looks like, period. Constructed to perfection by moi. Look at that, look at that. This is on sale for $275. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit or any other unit for that matter, then make sure you email me. I'll leave my email in the description box down below, or go on Instagram and DM me on Instagram, whatever the case may be. But be sure to check me out, because I do custom wig orders. So if you don't want that one, just hit me up and let me know what you would like, and if you want me to provide the hair, or if you want to provide the hair, whatever the case may be. But that wig is on sale right now. 22-inch 5x5 lace closure, custom color by moi. So that's how much I came here for, but I had to plug myself because that's a bomb wig, okay? And if I didn't have these in, she'd be wearing it. But without further ado, finally, let's just jump right into the video. First and foremost, I have all of the same lights on right now that I have on normally. So I feel like I look the same, but like the only thing on my camera is what was I about to say? The only thing on my camera is it's been on the fritz with focusing and all that. So since my phone is automatically focused for the most part, I mean, as far as I've observed with the video, I don't have that problem with the phone, at least not yet. But that's already a big observation and difference between the two, because a lot of the time what takes up the most time for me while I'm recording is trying to make sure I'm actually in focus. That takes a lot of time. So this isn't really going to be like tutorial form. It's just going to be me doing my makeup, because so I don't really plan on doing eyeshadow. I'll probably just put my bronzer in my crease, throw on a liner, and keep it moving, mainly because I'm not really doing this for tutorial purposes. I'm more so doing it just because I want to see how it looks. So I won't really be doing the description like I normally do for my videos of the products, but I will leave the products down in the description box. So if you guys are interested in what I did use, you can go in there and check it out. I feel like this still looks good. Definitely still looks good. So I'm going to do concealer now. I don't know if I'll say this is like minimal makeup, but it's definitely less makeup than I wear when I'm doing like a full beat. It's still gonna be a lot for some people that don't wear makeup at all, but I guess this will just be the video for people, number one, that want to see how it looks to record on your iPhone 11, and then number two, for people that want to get like, it's definitely not a no makeup look, because I'm definitely like I have on makeup, because I don't put makeup on to look like I don't have any on. But it's definitely going to be a minimal, like, I put in a lot of effort, but like barely, but like I did. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, that doesn't probably make no sense, but that's what it's going to be. That's the plan, at least, for it to look seamless but still beat. Okay, I'm going to set with my Fenty powder, cashew, and nutmeg. Whew. I'm going to set with my usual Fenty powder, cashew, and nutmeg. So I'm going to set my full face. whatevs. I'm gonna use the back of my beauty blender to set my face, because do I have the brush that I want to use? Doesn't matter. I'm still gonna use my beauty blender to do it, because that gives flawless coverage. So so far I'm loving everything about this look. This is kind of like my everyday makeup look. Not every day, let me not say that, because I don't wear makeup every day, not even close. But when I do wear makeup, so like when we're traveling home to Maryland and I want to wear makeup like for the trip, for when we get down there, in case you want to go to the casino or whatever. This is my traveling, going home. I want to look flawless on the road in case we stop at the gas station and I see, I don't know who I think I'm gonna see, but that is this look. And honestly, I heavily rely on face powder when I do travel, because I don't use, well, I don't really use too much foundation on a regular anyway, unless I accidentally use too much foundation. But I heavily rely on my pressed powder and my blush and my eyelashes. Like, I don't do eyeshadow when we're just traveling. My boobs are really beside themselves today. Like, I just don't understand. I don't get it. Okay, so my face is set now, so I'm gonna take the OG, this shit is terrible, Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And as y'all can see, oh, I could have used this shade to set my face. Wow. Way to go me, because I definitely could have used that shade. This brush is too big. This is the brush I used to set my whole face, but you know, whatevs. We're gonna use it. I'm gonna mix those two shades because I'm already here and it was the first brush I grabbed. I mean, this brush isn't bad though, because it makes sure I don't get too carried away with the contour. So you know what, I'm not mad at this brush. Look at it. I feel like my tits are beside themselves today. Wow. Yeah, I don't feel like that looks bad. I'm not really mad at that. Did I just find a banger? For diffused contour and or bronzer, I might have. This is honestly, I think why I started to do brows after foundation, was so I can just be messy and go like up into my brow area and all that and not have to worry about nothing. If y'all hear Brian talking in the background, it's because he is. Oops. He's playing the video game. I just got really close. He's playing the video game, and you know, if y'all man plays the video game, I don't even need I say more. Like, they be dead ass. Like, need I even say more? Oh, this is gonna look so good in the crease. This is gonna look so good in the crease. Okay, so the only thing I'm not gonna do before my brows is my highlight. So I'm gonna take the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. Where is, this is not the brush I wanted. I'm gonna take this orange because normally if I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, I don't want everything to look natural, but I want the most, not really subtle, because I wear a lot of blush, but the blush that complements my skin tone the best. I think that's the best way to say it. Hold on, this brush is genius for blush. Wait, hold on. This is the brush I use to set my face. But, wow, imagine I find gems. Imagine that. Oh my gosh. Okay, now, should I do brows on camera? I don't ever do brows on camera. Like, should I do brows? Why? Like, what? I think, like, whew, let me hold these things back. I guess I'll do a little something for a brow. Maybe I'll fill them in on camera, and then I'll, what is the word? Conceal them off camera. I Oh, honey, that's a brow. That look at the difference. I'm a fucking joke. Look at the difference. Look at. I can't take myself seriously. Like, I really can't. I don't know if y'all take me seriously. Like, I probably don't. But like, I can't take myself seriously. I be trying. Like, I swear I try to take myself seriously. But like, every time I try, I fail. This is not a brow. This is not a good brow. I fail miserably. I'm trying to make these look the same. But like, oh shit. Look at that. What the hell? This is a very lax, not tutorial. Literally just on here doing makeup. Not teaching anything. Why am I here? What is that? What is that? Like, should I clean these up on camera? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like, I don't know what my purpose is. I don't know why I am. Okay. Maybe I got it together. Maybe, I don't know. Now I'm looking at it and I don't have together. I think I have it, but my I feel this is best it's gonna get. So I'm going to cut my losses while I'm ahead and I'm gonna move forward, because if I spend too much time on these things, all hell breaks loose and the tutorial is gonna go left. It's not even a tutorial, but it's still going to go left. Like, I don't have time. So I'm literally just gonna use these two shades in the contour palette on my eye, because that's easy. That don't cause no trouble. If I wasn't using this diffuse brush, the color would definitely be more bold, but this brush definitely helps diffuse color. It's a Sigma E40 brush. It's funny that I'm literally doing this look in this tutorial on this, my like easy travel friendly makeup. Like, I don't know if this is travel friendly for a plane. I don't fly nowhere, but like easy travel friendly everyday, if you wear makeup every day look, because I still have like a good amount of makeup on, but it looks very natural. This is like my natural beat. Not natural amount of makeup, but natural. And then I'm gonna take this little fake highlight that's in here and put that on my lid with that same brush. It literally doesn't even look like it's a shine to it. It's because the brush that I use is hella fluffy. If I spray my brush, that'll probably look like a good little highlight situation, but I didn't, so do a brown liner. I do want to do a little top liner action, so I'm going to use this Fenty Fly Liner. Ooh, you already know this is graceful. Ooh, that's a good wing. Watch, I'm not gonna be able to do it on the other side, but that's a good wing. Ooh, that's also a good wing. They're just not sister wings. They're just definitely not. They don't match. This is as good as they're gonna get, I think. So I think I'm gonna cut my losses right here. Yep, I'm gonna cut my losses. Did them where we are right now, because if I mess with this anymore, things are gonna get out of hand, and I don't want that. I don't want things to get out of hand. So I'm going to spray my face now. And I'm going to put on some highlighter. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie Fuego highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. Look at it. Doesn't it look like it looks so good on brown skin? I didn't even do anything yet, and it looks like it's gonna look so freaking good. I'm so, why are my tits acting like this? Like, wow. I always do a brow bone highlight when I do this look because I be itching to. That's why. So let me go off camera, put some lashes on, and then we'll be done. So this is the finished look. This is my, I'm going on a trip, like a road trip. I'm going nowhere that's really important, but I want to have some makeup on my face. This is that look for me. This is the, I want to look hella glam, but like a natural glam, like something that doesn't look as harsh as what I normally do, because I wear a lot of makeup. My hands are hella ashy. I wear a lot of makeup, but you normally can tell that I have on a lot of makeup, but this looks very natural. Natural, I don't know if natural's the word. I mean, this looks very, I try, this is minimal for me. Let me just say, this is minimal for me. Not super highlighted, not super bright, just a nude, really no eyeshadow, a little bit of liner, some popping lashes. These lashes are bomb. Like, ooh, feels like I have two different eyelashes on. I swear they're the same lash, like I promise you, but I have to trim them, so they're gonna look a little bit different. I think I have to trim this one down a little bit more for, you know, it to cooperate, but they still look good. So it's a little irritating in my eye, but yeah, just a very neutral, very bronze, very brown, cute. That's the situation right here. But yeah, I think for what I'm looking at right now, like as I'm looking at my phone, because I'm on my front facing camera, because I want to make sure that it's still recording all that on my front facing camera, this quality looks really good. So if you have the iPhone 11, even I think I had the XS Max, even if you have one of these phones and you want to record on your phone, I say do it if you don't have a camera, because this looks really good. Like, as I can see, my tits are kind of out of control, but I mean, other than that, this looks really good. The quality looks really, really good, okay? Really good. But that's really all for this video. But don't forget, if you're interested in placing an order for this wig, or if you want me to make a different wig for you, imagine this on me would be fire. But she's a blonde right now. But if you guys are interested in this or purchasing any wig from me, then please be sure to email me or let me know. DM me on Instagram, DM me on Twitter. I will have all that down in the description box. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. So like I always tell you guys, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.